Welcome to Texas Medical Concierge, your choice in the changing world of medicine.
It started off with a personal experience when we were nursing for my father-in-law. We came up close with the realities of healthcare and the challenges people face. At that point, we realized how hard it is for people to navigate the world of healthcare.
Private health management services. With a more globalized and technology-driven world, now you no longer need to depend on one family doctor alone for your healthcare decisions and management. Let your family office for health navigate the world of healthcare for you and your family. Electronic medical records. You no longer need to keep your health records scattered on different and often unsafe sources. A team of professional medical transcriptionists will convert, consolidate, and digitize all your medical reports and data. Access your medical information from anywhere in the world with just one click on your iPad, phone, or computer. Your personal physician study and do a deep root analysis of all this data and are aware in detail about your medical and family history at all times. Personal health goals. This team of doctors prepare detailed reports in line with your healthcare needs after complete analysis and case discussions. They start by defining your health goals. These physicians counsel you on preventive health to avoid or delay diseases that you are at risk for either due to your lifestyle or genetic makeup. Explain medication and its side effects. Take advantage of our medical intelligence to provide you with customized researchers for global super specialists that are disease-based and not specialists belonging to broad medical specialties. We are happy to work with you to help obtain medical second opinion through our network of leading medical centers of excellence in US, UK, Thailand, Singapore, Germany, and India. This team of family physicians aim at overall mental and physical well-being, not just absence of disease. We research cutting-edge modern medicine treatments as well as evidence-based traditional medicine like Ayurveda and Yoga. Healthcare today knows no borders. Consult a global expert without the burden of travel. Now access the finest medical institutes through telemedicine. Consult with leading medical experts without traveling, as our technologies permit communications between patient and healthcare professionals with both convenience and fidelity. What is telemedicine?
It's basically telecommunication plus information technology. So when you combine healthcare IT and video conferencing and sophisticated telecommunication together, you get telemedicine. And how we are using telemedicine is not very different. It's been used since the 1950s. We are using it to provide better quality healthcare, and we're using it at various steps. So when a client comes in, again I come back, we have a very detailed health history taking process which is 2 hours long, where we get to know the client. We consolidate all their medical records. So we take every handwritten prescription, every hard copy X-ray or MRI or any digital films that they have. We put them on our own electronic medical record software. We digitize it, and we're using telemedicine for transmitting all this medical data, after which it converts into a video consult. When we do the video consult, we have these cutting-edge, sophisticated peripheral medical devices. So if I put a stethoscope here, the doctor in America can hear it real time. Okay. I put a camera in your ear, he's able to see inside your ear, in your nose, in your throat. Okay. And there's a doctor on this end. So you have two doctors looking at you microscopically through these fantastic sophisticated cameras and peripheral medical devices. So in many respects, it's a more superior consult to a face-to-face consult that you'd have with a doctor if he happened to be in your city.
Your personal physicians present your case to global experts in detail, represent you, and detangle the complicated world of healthcare for you.
We also have services like receiving the patient at the airport. They want us to go and check out the room for them and to see, is it wheelchair compatible? Do they have hand rolled in the showers, or personalize the room with something from their home country, like maybe some grocery ingredients or the movie channels, or wherever that extra edge is needed, we supplement the international offices with what services the client might need. But really it's end to end. Whatever, we are their home away from home.
Medical science has advanced. Everybody has different metabolic rates, generic traits, and different responses to drugs and dosages. Let us help you to customize your medication and supplements in line with your genetic map.
We all have choices. We all have more available now. The world is changing. All you need to do is step up, take responsibility for your health, and access those choices. You don't have all the super specialists within your same city, within your same country. Open your mind and make that change. You can really achieve, longevity is increasing, quality of life is really at its peak. Go out there and grab it.
If you have the will, we are your way. Texas Medical Concierge.